Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel.
Do you not get the concept?
Yeah, we got some packages! And I know how much you guys love unboxing. It's a combination of tech, shoes, hair, and I think sneakers. And I have some makeup that I'm supposed to unbox too. Just a little bit of everything. All right, what do y'all want to do first up? Let's just pick from the top. So first up, we got a package from Amazon. This is probably my new tripod for my camera. Right now, my camera is literally resting on my old ring light because the ring part of it actually broke off. And then I was like, I wonder if my camera could fit in the screws in here. And it did, so lucky me. But look, can you see? This is the Ulanzi MT-01. It's like a wireless control. It extends. I don't know how tall it goes. I actually seen a girl recommend this on TikTok instead of getting a Sony piece. I forgot how much the Sony one was, but I was like, do I really need to pay all that money when I could get this on sale for $40? This is it in the box. Oh. So it has these buttons on it. It's supposed to be so that you could connect it to the camera and you could pause, play, record instead of like pressing the button, pulling up the selfie stick and stuff. But I feel like this is pretty good for distance. I wonder how much it extends. That's it. All right, so this will not. Oh my gosh, why did I think that this was gonna be like something I could like put down, stand up, have the distance? Look at how long it is. Literally the size of my head. Damn, I got a big head though. This part you could tighten and loosen on the top. The bottom opens up. So it's like a mini tripod, but it's really lightweight, handheld. I'm gonna have to figure out how to connect these buttons to the camera later. I think this should be pretty good. I'll let y'all know when I use it. But this was like $40, not too bad for a Bluetooth tripod. So that's cute. Next up, this was actually a birthday gift. This is actually a flash because the camera I have doesn't come with anything. Like, you have to get the lens, get a flash, which is this, to get a memory card for it. It's literally like one of those build your own cameras. We give you the body and you find everything else you want for the add-on. So I also saw this on TikTok. Some girl had it. So I wonder how it's gonna look like in the daytime. Like, it gives like digital camera when the flash was used. I think this was like what, $60 if I'm not mistaken. And it's called the Lux Junior. You see on the front it says Lux Junior engraved in it. I don't know why the boxing gives like men's cologne. Oh, it's actually really small. Look, I'm sure these dials, I'm gonna have to figure out how to use them later. Have no idea, no clue. Then this little piece right here is to latch onto the top. So right now where my mic latches, I'm probably gonna have to take that out and put this in if I want to take a picture, which is about to be another big thing because I'm be walking around with a camera bag. I'm recording on is a SONY Ev10. I'll put it in the bio down below so y'all know. It also has these gears. I have no idea what none of them mean. And it's like, it says Outlook, whatever. And it goes full, half, 1/4. No idea what that means. Then something about like MA off and on. And then the flash is here in the front. With the flash, this is how the pictures look. If I decide to take the pictures for y'all. You actually need batteries for it. I thought it was a charger, but no, I need batteries, so this won't be used today. It also has these wires. I'm pretty sure the wires are probably to connect it to the camera. Right here in the little slot, it says sync. Pretty sure this goes in it. I don't know what this is. It's a little case holder. It has a G on it. Also came with an instruction manual. That's tech. What do y'all want to see next? Let's do this package. I'm pretty sure this is one of my TikTok packages. If I'm not mistaken, this is from Glow Mode, but I don't remember what I ordered. I know it's a fitness set. Is it a set or did they only give me like a sweater? I'm not even playing. I'm not even playing with them. Did they only send me the sweater? Yes, it's only the sweater. Look, this is a size small, y'all. I'm gonna try it on for y'all a little later. And it comes with a little hoodie. This is actually a cropped hoodie, by the way, which I think is so cute. I need a pair of shorts with this so I can wear it to the airport. Yeah, that would eat, right? I know. There's this cute little invisible zip in the front too. And you know what's funny? I said I was gonna lay off the black, but then I was going out the other day and I was like, damn, where is all my black clothes? The zipper on it is real, like, what is it? Like that rubber band effect, like it pops back. Has a cool little easy slip. And I know this thing is about to be mad warm. Oh, look at the details in it too. Like they giving Lulu a run for their money. It says like low mode in the strip right here too. The sleeves on it, it has that little hole in it. I feel like I don't really use a hole. Maybe every once in a while, but not really. Other thing I like about it is you see that little C kind of cut in the back. It's the same for the front. I like that. I actually cannot wait to try this on. Good pick, good pick. Let's hope it fits. Because I also don't know why I keep getting smalls. Like, do I think I'm that skinny? But then when I get a medium, I'm like, baby, am I hallucinating? Am I really that small? Do y'all want to go big or do y'all want to go small? I'm going to save these. We're going to go small. We're going to go small. If I'm not mistaken, this is a wig. You know what I'm sad about? Why did my little, mind you, it wasn't even like it was a serious package, but I actually really needed it. I had got this set from Elf. And it's like the setting spray, primer, some bronzer thing, and I got the eyebrow pencil, which I actually really needed. 2 different packages. Why are they missing? So today I got in the mail like a notification that my Fenty Beauty blush had came, and I went to try the Maybelline concealer. I go downstairs legit at 4:30 because it says it was delivered at 4:03. It is not in the locker room. And I'm like, I swear to God, if I get access to our little, like, you know, individual mailboxes and it's not in there, I'm going to crash out. Like, I'm going to the post office and I'm literally gonna curse them out, because it's like, who is stealing my packages? Like, it has to be one of the carriers at this time, because every single time I get something from USPS, the United States Postal Service, it goes missing. And it's like, bro, some Elf products? Are you kidding me? This wig is from OQ Hair. You know them big closures, the glueless ones, like the 9x6s? Or at least I hope it's 9x6 if I remember. Ooh. Crown yourself Elf Queen of Hair today. They official. Look at this. And then we got the wig. Ooh, this is actually long. Okay, we'll get back to it. Let's see what else they have in here. Some clips. Some wig caps. Sometimes they be giving me like really dark caps, and I'm like, bro, that's not my complexion. Or they give me extremely light. So they gave me both shades this time. And then a wig band. What's this? Oh, look. It comes with hooks. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to use these hooks for when I decide to wear glueless instead of glued down. Look at how big the front of it is. And it's pre-plucked, bleached. I'm so happy that the wig companies be putting extra effort into sending these wigs now, because, girl, I barely know how to do my hair. And the only time, like, a wig looks, like, semi-decent on me is when it comes like this. So I'm really happy about that. This is a 24-inch. I'm probably gonna install this wig right before my trip. I didn't even tell y'all where I'm going. Do y'all want to know now, or y'all want a surprise? Am I not going somewhere? Let's be real. Let's be real. The only reason why I'm like, yeah, let me wear this wig on my trip is because low-key I want to give like fun, like have fun trip, in the sense where I want to go in the water and get my hair soaking wet. And I can't do that with no wig. And I realized that it don't make sense to do that with no braids either, because my hair, like, oh my gosh, I was so mad about when I went away for my birthday and I got the braids and they lasted legit a week. Like, what was the point of getting box braids if they don't even make it off the vacation? No ma'am. Last up, I'm pretty. I'm not even pretty. I'm 100% sure these are my Jordans. And let me tell you, if I haven't said it ever before on my channel, I'm gonna say it now. 9 out of 10 times when I buy a pair of shoes is because my sisters tell me, hey Kaia, get these shoes. Get these shoes. And you know what happened? Zaria texted me saying, Anaya said to get the shoes because everybody has the shoes. Get them. You know what else is funny too? It wasn't even a struggle unless I got the last pair, because we also got my mom a pair for Christmas. Hopefully she's not watching. I probably got like the last grade school ones, because I got mine and then they were like, oh, let's get one for my mom, and there was no more grade school, so we had to get her the adult size one. I wear a size 7 in grade schools. I don't know what the name is. I just said, which color am I supposed to get, because there was like 2 shades. If that helps with the description for y'all. I don't know. Screenshot it. yeah, it was the whole point. I keep getting sidetracked. The whole point was that it wasn't a struggle to get the shoes. Like, I literally went online, clicked it, took my time on Foot Locker, ordered it. Where it's like, I don't know when was the jump where it was like you had to wake up mad early or something like that, or everything was just like resale or the lottery. But I'm so happy, like, that's finally over. It smells like fresh shoes. I hope it fits. I feel like these should be easy to pair, right? They're cute. What number is this? Is this a valid number sneaker? Because it just don't look too right for me. The detailing in the back is white and gray. Has the Nike check. Then it has like the little, this is red, not orange. The bottom, if that matters to y'all. And this material is like a leather type of feel. I feel like I have sneakers like this already, so I don't know why I had to get these. And you know what Anaya said? She was like, oh, we need to take a family picture with the Jordans. I said, are you crazy? She was like, Christmas pictures. It's like, are you crazy? No. Who wants one of these? I know y'all used to like stick them on your laptops or your iPads and stuff. I don't know if that's still a thing. Good news, y'all. We got a special delivery. Special delivery. We have retrieved the packages. I think this one is from Fenty. First thing we have is this Demi Glow. I'm pretty sure this is the bronzer. Oh, it says light highlight. Look at the boxing on it. So cute. Color I got was Yum Rum, and I got it because of the title. Not even because not even because I know if I'm gonna like the shade or not. So you can see. Then the second thing, creamy blush, and this actually came in a bundle. I got this from TikTok also, and this is cute. Look at the boxing on this. Color is Summertime Wine, and I actually chose this one not because of the name, but because I wanted a darker blush to see how it would look on me. I don't know why I thought it was gonna have a scent, but this is the shade. Real cute. I don't know if dark is for fall or if it's for winter, but nonetheless, we're gonna make it work. More makeup for the girlies. More makeup. This one is from Maybelline. Okay, what do we have first? First up, we got this primer, and then we got all of this. Oh, I'm pretty sure the brush is probably for the primer then. Look. A concealer brush. I'm saying primer. Concealer, sorry. Oh, why am I thinking whole time this is lip gloss? It's liquid blush. I'm thinking this was lip gloss in the packaging. Well, now I got two blushes to try. Y'all, I don't know if y'all know me, but I literally love my blush. Like, L-O-V-E, love down my blush. So much that I had blush blindness, and I had to like chill out for a second. I was like, nah, too much, Kaia, too much. Like, look, pretty subtle today. Sad about that, but subtle. Okay, for the concealer, I got 12H. This is the Instant Age Rewind, and I actually seen a lot of people getting it. I know usually when it comes to Maybelline, people say like it's like beauty store makeup, but I've seen a lot of girlies on TikTok try this concealer, and I wanted to try it myself. Right now I am using the Tarte concealer, which is actually really good. I love it, but I wanted something a little brighter, so I just looked all through TikTok to try and find my shade because I didn't feel like going to the store, and I don't think they let you like test these. And I just kept looking, and I'm like, okay, these girls look like they're my complexion. Bought 12H. So I will also update y'all if this is the right shade for me. If it is not, I don't know. I'm probably still gonna use it because, you know, sometimes I could give the little light under eye look, but I feel like it's pretty dark though. Like, it won't give like flashback. Then the blush, I actually want to open this. This is in shade 06 City Sizzle. Yeah. Ooh, look. Yeah, I can't wait to try this. This low-key smell like paint. I don't know if that's a bad thing, but whatever. That's my haul. Hope you guys enjoyed. Later. Bye, guys. See y'all tomorrow.